In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn Steam points. Whether you're new to Steam or just looking to get more out of your gaming experience, earning Steam points can enhance your time on the platform by allowing you to get fun customization options and rewards. So, grab your device and let's get started. First off, open up your Steam application. You can do this by clicking on the Steam shortcut on your desktop or searching for it in your application list. If you're not already logged in, you'll see an option to click on Login. Simply click it to proceed to the login screen. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your account name and password. Remember to double check for any typos to ensure a smooth login process. After confirming your login details, click on Sign In to access your Steam homepage. Now that you're logged in and looking at your Steam homepage, you'll see your profile name at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear giving you several options. Among them, click on View My Profile. You're now looking at your personal profile page, where you can personalize various aspects of your account. From this page, you'll want to click on Edit Profile. This option will give you access to a range of personal settings, but for now, focus your attention on the Steam Points shop. Navigating through these steps places you at the starting point for earning Steam points. One straightforward way to start earning points is to buy games. Steam rewards you with points for every purchase you make, which means the more games and content you buy, the more points you accumulate. If you're planning to expand your game library, this is a great way to passively earn points. But buying isn't the only way to earn. Steam also values community contributions when you engage with other users by providing content like reviews, screenshots, and videos. And if your content receives awards from fellow users, you earn Steam points. So be creative and active in the community to maximize this valuable source of points. Additionally, keep an eye out for quests and events that Steam occasionally offers. Participating in these events not only adds excitement but can also be a fruitful way to collect Steam points. Don't forget about seasonal sales and the badges that come with them. During special sale events, Steam often introduces activities that reward you with points. Completing these activities and leveling up your badges can significantly boost your points collection. By following these methods, you'll be well on your way to building up your Steam points and enjoying all the fun and rewards that come with them. Happy gaming, and enjoy your Steam experience even more with your newly earned points.